to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. And today is going to be a video about primer sprays, setting sprays, all kinds of sprays that you can spray on your face to make your makeup last longer and look beautiful. And I'm going to be also demonstrating how they work and how they make your makeup last longer in real time. And I got the opportunity to work with a brand called Skindinavia. And if you guys have not heard of Skindinavia, they have really great sprays. They have sprays that are specifically made for oily combination skin to keep your makeup from melting off if you're, you know, going to a wedding or you're going to the club or you're going somewhere where it's gonna be hot. You guys know that I love setting sprays. I've used so many different ones. Skindinavia is the first setting spray brand that I ever tried. I never tried setting sprays before until I heard of Skindinavia. I do not remember who exactly I saw. I think it was J Loves Mac, but I saw a video on YouTube back before I used to make YouTube videos. I used to do my friends' makeup before they would go to the club. I didn't go to the club, so I would just do everybody's makeup so I would feel like I was a part. And I would use setting spray to help their makeup to stay on all night. It was actually developed by a man who saw that women in the nightclub, you know, their makeup would melt off because it'd be so hot. And he came up with a solution to where you could spray this on your face. It keeps your makeup in place. That rhymes. I used it on brides, I used it on my friends, I used it on myself because they really helped to lock in your makeup. What I really like about a setting spray is that even if you apply a whole bunch of makeup, like a whole bunch of powder products, it'll just make your face look so much more lively. It'll melt all of your product together and keep it locked in place all day. It's like hairspray for your face, basically. I love setting sprays for that reason, and I'm actually gonna show you guys a real-time demonstration. I will come back and show you guys exactly what my makeup looks like after a few hours without touching up. So you guys will know exactly if it works or not, so you don't think I'm lying to you. Even though this video is sponsored by Skindinavia and they did send me a set of these sprays, I already owned these. I've previously bought them and purchased them with my own money before, and I can truly say that I really do appreciate this product. Anyways, let's get on to the video. So I will start doing my makeup now. So I'm going to now demonstrate how to use a primer spray. I'm gonna use my primer spray first. This one's a lot like the Smashbox primer water. I like to go in a cross shape for Jesus. And I like to spray it like this far from my face, not this close. Because if you get this close, your face is gonna be really sticky and that's not good. You want it to be at least this far from your face. Let that dry before you start to put on your makeup. So now that the rest of my face is finished, I'm going to show you guys how I use finishing spray. They're different in the fact that this one helps for your makeup to last a lot longer, creates a smooth canvas, reduces the appearance of large pores and things like that. Whereas this one locks in color and allows for your makeup to last all day long. So this one's better for applying over your makeup as a finishing spray, whereas this one applies better for a primer underneath your makeup. If my face looks really like cakey, or it looks too matte, or if I apply too much powder, I will use this to kind of like fix my face. I spray it like I do my primer spray in the T formation and the X formation. And then once it's dried, your makeup is pretty much set for the rest of the day. If you think I'm lying, I have tried to do my makeup without a setting spray or a primer spray, some kind of spray, and it just doesn't feel the same. It doesn't last as long. It just doesn't. These primer sprays are not meant to stop your face from getting oily. That is not what they're meant for. They are meant to help your skin look more lively, keep you from looking too caked on and makeup face, you know, like cake face. It's meant to help your makeup to last a lot longer. One thing I've noticed is that even though my skin does get oily throughout the day, it doesn't melt off, like it doesn't fall off my face. So after I've touched up, my makeup looks just like it did when I applied it. It is 3:43 right now. I will come back in a couple hours and let you guys see, without me touching up my face, how my makeup actually holds up. It is hot today, it's like 80 degrees, so I am gonna be running some errands and stuff. So when I come back and show you guys my face, I will show you what it looks like without me touching up at all. So like I said, I will be coming back to you guys and showing you guys what my makeup looks like in a couple hours. So I will be back. Hey guys, welcome back. So sorry for the lack of energy, but I am not really feeling well right now and I'm drinking my tea. It is 7:22. Started filming this video at 3 o'clock, I think, and got facial and makeup at around 3:30. I forgot what the exact time was. But excuse me if I'm sniffling. I keep sneezing and I think that I'm coming down with something. Face still looks pretty good. Got a little bit of oil peeking through. Being that I've had this makeup on for a little over 4 hours now, it is holding up pretty well. Usually I would, if I didn't use any kind of spray or anything, my face would probably be sliding off by now. Still looks like I just applied it, just a little bit more juicy. That's pretty good. Pretty much looks just like it did when I first did it. So if you guys would like to try out Skindinavia, I'll have a link in the description box, a coupon code for 10% off. You get 2 travel size sprays with your purchase and free shipping on orders over $25. Not only do I have 1 set of these for myself that I've already had, I will be giving these 2 away to a lucky subscriber. So be sure to check the description box for that if you would like to try out Skindinavia for yourself. And that is all that I wanted to talk about in this video. Hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. All right, bye.